welcome back to Pondering Creations Farm. So this is the plant that had the yellow on it, and now the irises are blooming. And we planted up a little bit around the waterfall, which looks great. Right now we're gonna go out back and I'm gonna get a couple of chores done. So come along. I smartened up today. I brought a couple things down that I'm always going to the kitchen for, baking soda and organic apple cider vinegar. I made 2 things of it so I could bring one over to the little chicks area. And guys, I got this old toolbox and guess what I put in it? I'm gonna wait for the motorcycle. Does anybody want to guess what I put in this toolbox? My tools. Genius, right? I put tools in there. Can't believe it. Here's the goats. I had let them out today. I opened up a piece of their back fence and then I zip tied it back when I got them back in. So they are nice and full. I probably ate too much, so I got them a little baking soda earlier. Him and Daisy have a love-hate relationship. Dude, you don't want to get one of those in the face, girl.
Oh my goodness, do you remember what these goats were like when they were little? They were so cute. Should we adopt some more? Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments. And here's our little mom with her chicks, and she's doing so great with them.
I don't know if she's had a dust bath. Her butt was looking pretty nasty.
No, she did, and everybody else is looking so nice and clean, and she's doing a great job.
That is our little Bancy. I don't know if you guys remember our little Scarlet, but that is her little baby chick that this mama hatched. I've got these guys always constantly looking. It's like they hear the mom and they can see her. Daisy! Come here, girl.
In Daisy's old age, all she ever wants to do is just sit there and bark at the goats.
My Americana and my speckled Sussex. And a little buff wandered on the scene. So there's 3 buffs that we had gotten from the last batch. No, you're not bringing your chicks out here, Mama. Sorry. And then there's 3 buffs that she hatched out, but those are actually buff Americanas mix. So hopefully we'll have some broody birds here next season. Just filled that feeder up. There, you've got some apple cider water there. Looks like they're enjoying that. So guys, I don't know if you can see, all her feathers are starting to come in. She is looking great. As you all know, this is our little chick that was orphaned. I'm actually not gonna call her Ophelia anymore because she is getting rehomed, and I figured her little new owners would want to give her a name. She is so sweet. So this little orphan, she's gonna go to the Billings family, and their YouTube channel is House Billings. So you can follow her story over there. But she really has become attached to people and not really many other chicks. And for us to keep her here on our farm, I have a flock of chicks, and then I have the mama on hers who's vicious. So I'm just afraid she would get picked on too much here. And like I said, she's just really loves people. So I think that she would be way happier with a loving family. Hi guys, so say bye to our little orphan. This might be her last video here.
So definitely go over to House Billings and check them out. I'll link their channel up right down in the description and become part of the Billings fam. They do a lot of different animal rescues, and I really think that you'd enjoy their channel. Definitely check them out. As usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you at the farm.